All right, every people, do you know that it's Friday? So we have a wheelchair master class today. So let's look in a way that I've looked at it in a different way. So it'll help you to look at the different pieces. We're going to look at keys to be able to look at the ones that we were working on. Okay. Um, let's talk about key one. So on key one, your wheelchair is your mobility, so it's really important, right? This isn't just equipment, really. It is your idea, your moving you, being able to be able to get around and everything else. It's really important for you. So that's important. So not just equipment. Okay? Small issues affect your whole day. That could sometimes get your energy to do this, but that's okay. Think of a small thing that you're going to break something or you're going to fix something. Fix it or move it or whatever needs to be done for this key, so this will be your space. Like every Thursday, you're going to look and make sure that everything is working and you don't have to do any crazy energy to fix something or to move something, okay? So just small. Just think of a small um, plan to look at your wheelchair. You deserve a chair you can trust. Really trust. And that's really important to know that when things are working, that they're moving just fine, that when you go in, when you go out, in your doors and everything else, and it feels good. It's not going to bump you. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to get stuck or it's get completely, lost out of the craziness. But you will be fine. Okay? So your wheelchair will be part of your trust. Your trust. So when your wheelchair works, your life flows better all the time. Okay? So think about that. All right. Key 2. We're looking at the keys here. Know the parts that matter most. Okay? So that's important. We're going to look at this section. Focus on function, all right? And we're going to look at not technical names. We're not going to do that. So wheelchair, wheels and tires, movements, that move. They're working, so that's good. Brakes, safety. Frame, stability, stable, that's good. Footrest, okay, footrest, an arm rest, comfort, control for those two, and bolts and screws. So those are the things you'll be looking that your function on focus on functions. Okay? Wheels, tires, brakes, frame, footrest, and armrest, bolts, and screws. So you want to keep those around as yours. Point on this, touch, show. All right? Keep it visual, and simple. That works. All right? So let's think of that. All right, everyone. We are going here with key 5. I'm sorry. Key 5. What you should not fix yourself. Okay? That's really important. That builds trust and safety. This builds trust and safety for you. Let's look at call a pro. Frame cracks or bending. Brakes fail against after adjustment. Wheel alignment issues. Okay. Electrical issues. Power chair. Anything that affects balance or stability. Really important. So safety is not the place to experiment. Okay? So keep that one. All right. Key 6. Key 6. Weekly wheelchair check. All right, that's important. 5 minutes. 5 minutes at least. Hammocks. Make it realistic and doable. All right, so that's really, really key. Roll forward, backward, test brakes, visual bolt check, tire pressure check. It's really simple. Listen for new sounds that are really weird. Sound weird, and then I kind of do that almost every day. 5 minutes now saves days, of stress later. Keep that in mind. Key 7. Confidence comes, from knowledge. Okay? That's really important. And on empowering. Keep it empowering. All right. You don't need to know everything. I want everybody to say that. You don't need to know everything. Knowing the basics changes everything. All right. That's really important. And then you are capable. You're capable and deserving as a person, okay? Confidence isn't luck, it's preparation. Keep that in mind every day. All right. So we have a key 8, and I'm just going to bring that as extra X. It's a key 8. All right. So in key 8, we're going to remind you of your gloves, okay? So to see if that is, you see that your um, hands are not helping, and you can use gloves that will keep you from, any problems with your gloves. So keep that in mind. Okay, so you have your gloves, then we've talked about that, and then the next one is ideas for you to make sure you feel safe and comfortable where you're going in your street, or you're out at the store, or you go to an and the another place, or to friends, and you might jump into, someone is playing really weird at you. Then just put your idea where you need to say at that moment, knock it off, leave me alone, that kind of thing. So be confident and confident every way. So key 8, okay, for those two. All right, everyone. Any other question on that? I love to see you. My name is Lisa, and just join with us when you have time for World Wheelchair Warriors, and we'll see what other things will jump I hear for master classes. Take care. Bye.